Hi guys, this is Kelly Weimer, third grade teacher at PLE. I'm going to go ahead and show you my banner and everything that I created. I'm very anal when it comes to this type of stuff, and I've kind of played and redone and redid, and so this is where it's at for right now. I decided I'm using a course that I'm going to convert to my math course for next year with Eureka. So over here is it just says Math Rocks, and kind of just third grade since I'm a third grade teacher. Up here is my banner. Math is everywhere in the world, and I tried to find some cool examples of images or pictures that kids could relate to, that math does go with those things like Legos. And this is a picture of a girl who's interior designing and drawing and cooking and sports and architect of drawing and designing. And this is music, doctors, and the medical field, and then VR. So yeah, that's my banner. Down here for my folders, I've set them up kind of so they go with Eureka Math. So I've started a growth mindset, and I put an image here, and then in my growth mindset I have kind of day 1, day 2 things set up that goes with a third grade curriculum, and then I've set up module folders and kind of put a couple images that go with the title, like multiplication, division. Third graders will learn number bonds and repeated addition and things with multiplication, place value images, and problem solving with measurement and time. So I've kind of just set up, I'm still working on some of the other ones, but that's what my plan is so far, okay? So that's where I'm at. So thank you, and hope to check out everyone else's videos. Thanks.